In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on a Prezi presentation. Prezi is a fantastic tool for creating dynamic presentations that can really engage an audience. It becomes even more powerful when you leverage its collaboration features to work with others seamlessly. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your presentation in the Prezi editor. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Share button. This is your gateway to inviting others to join in on your creative process. When you click Share, you'll be presented with options like Share with Others or Collaborate. This is where you can start bringing your team on board. It's as simple as entering the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Make sure those email addresses are correct to avoid any hiccups with your invites. Now, it's important to decide on the level of access your collaborators will have. You'll see options to choose whether your collaborators can edit the presentation or if they'll only be able to view it. Think carefully about what role each person should have. For instance, you might want an editor to contribute ideas and edits, while a viewer can give feedback without making direct changes. Once you've settled on these access rights, go ahead and send the invite. Your collaborators will receive an email invitation, and you can wait for them to join you on this creative journey. As they begin to hop on board, one of the coolest features of Prezi's collaboration tools is the real-time cursor indicators. These let you see who is editing which part of the presentation at any given moment. It's like watching your digital teamwork unfold right before your eyes. This feature not only adds an element of fun, but also significantly enhances coordination, ensuring everyone knows who's doing what, reducing the chances of stepping on each other's toes during the editing process. It's an invaluable aspect, especially for larger teams working on intricate presentations. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to collaborate on a Prezi presentation. By using these features, you and your team can effortlessly share ideas and create compelling presentations from wherever you are in the world. So why not give it a try and take your Prezi presentations to the next level? Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your digital tools. Until next time, happy collaborating.